You've seen this in my last video. I used it in my darkroom for setting the timer as a thermometer and as a clock. I really like it because you only have to move it like that to that to that to set different settings or to see different settings. That's really cool because you don't have to click anywhere, you don't have to press a button with the gloves on. But one thing that's bothering me is the color. So as you've seen, you have blue, green, not sure what you see right now, blue, green, blue again, red. Wouldn't it be cool if it only would show red? It doesn't matter in which direction you tilt it. That's what we're gonna do today. We turn it to red, like this one. Little stupid. I hope you enjoyed this short video and I hope you're gonna try it for yourself. It's really cheap to do and it doesn't take much time, and you get a really nice tool for your darkroom. If you want to see more about my work and this DIY stuff, subscribe, and I'll be back, guys. Hello.